this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and today I'm here with my mom, Kathy, and today we're going to be making one of our first winter soaps. It's going to be a Snowflake soap.
Yeah, well, do you know what we're going to call it yet?
I think we should call it Snowflake Tundra.
Snowflake, okay. Well, right now, we may change the name. So welcome to our channel, and if you didn't subscribe to our channel before, please subscribe now and give us thumbs up if you like this video. We're gonna make more videos. Like Kelsey said, this is our first Christmas winter soap. So let's go and let's make this soap.
Let's get soaping.
All right. All right, guys. So here I am. This is Kathy, and I'm making the soap today. This is the first winter soap or Christmas soap, whatever we want to call it. I don't know for sure, but we don't know the name yet because we're kind of debating on the name. But we have this little cute snowflakes over here. They're going to go on top of the clouds. We're going to pipe it, and they're going to have little fluffy clouds. And going to have these beautiful little snowflakes on it. And what we're going to use today, we're going to use in the mix of oil mix over here, we have a palm, coconut, olive oil, castor oil, and a little bit of almond oil in here. And I'm going to put in there some coconut milk. Just going to dump it in there right now because it's ready to go. And I'm going to blend it up. Okay, so I emulsified the milk with the oils, the coconut milk with the oils. And then I'm going to put my lye solution in it. But before I do that, I'm going to tell you guys what's the plan for the soap today. So you saw the little snowflakes. And we're going to use some mica to color that. I have this one over here from Nurture Soap. That's the Caribbean Blue Mica Powder. And then I have one from, oops, sorry about that. We have Almost Ice Mica from Rustic Essentials. And some black iron oxide that I put in one of them to make it darker. And I'm going to make one a little bit lighter. I'm going to use a little bit of titanium dioxide, but I already put a little bit of, what is it called? Some whitish kind of mica. What is it called? Okay, it's kind of like the Brambleberry mica, the sparkly mica.
Snowflake Sparkle.
Yeah, but it's not. We got it in this big package. We got something from Amazon. They gave us some free micas. From free mica powder. So that's what I'm doing. And then, so the plan is we're going to do a drop swirl in our mold. And I'm going to have 3 different blues, and the main color that's going to be white. Alright, so let's start mixing the old stuff here. Oh, and I forgot, for the scent, we're going to use, I made my own mix of peppermint essential oil and the eucalyptus essential oils. So let me go and get my lye solution here. Alright, so putting my lye solution in here. And of course I had a little bit of water discount because I used a little bit of coconut milk. Okay, so I'm going to mix this right now, and then we're going to split it in different containers. Alright, so now I'm going to split some of this batter here in these 3 containers, so we're going to have different kind of blues. Alright. Alright, here we go. And we're going to blend it. I'm going to put some of the Okay, I'm gonna do some titanium dioxide in this one, the big one first. So I'm gonna move these a little bit here. You guys can see there. I'm gonna put a little titanium in here. That's gonna be the base. And I hope I get some glycerin rivers because I really want it in this soap. Sometimes when you want it, they don't appear. And when you don't want them, they do. So I'm going to do under the max. Okay. So I'm going to put some of this in here. And we're going to blend it a little bit. I'm going to mix it with my spatula first. And then I'm going to, oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, it smells amazing. Alright guys, so now that I smacked it down and everything is, you know, in its own place there, you know, there are no, I hope there are not going to be any holes in there or any big bubbles. Hopefully not. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to mix my piping mix, and then we're going to come back and we're going to pipe. Okay guys, I'm back, and unfortunately I piped it because the pipe was very runny and I had to wait like a long time. It got really late over here and I made a mess and I spilled half of it on the floor. So that's the reason why I did not tape it. But you know, I fixed it, so you know, accidents happen to everybody. Nobody's perfect. Okay, but I'm going to put those little snowflakes right on top here. It's still really runny. I don't know what's going on today. I don't know if it's too cold here in Washington State. It's been really cold lately. Like a couple of days they've been like frigid here. Temperature is like in the 50s. So it's fall is here. I don't know where you guys are. I know that some places are really very hot right now in the south of the United States, but here it's freezing. I don't like it. I want it to be a little bit warmer, but I know it gets like this every year. So that's okay. Anyway, I think I saved it. Doesn't look so bad. I didn't have enough piping because like I said, I just spilled it all over the place. Okay, Kelsey went to bed because it's very late over here. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. And I don't have to go to work tomorrow. So I decided, you know, what the heck, I just stay and do that, and Kelsey can do and take some rest tonight. But anyway, That's the way it goes sometimes. But I think I saved it. I'm going to put a little bit of mica, sparkly mica on top, and then I'm going to finish with some 91% alcohol, and it's going to be done. Okay, and I'll show you the top when I'm done here. Alright, this is what it looks like up close. Like I said before, I spilled half of the piping batter on the floor, and I wasn't paying attention. I don't know what happened there. I can't remember. It's very late and I'm really tired, but this is what it looks like really close. It's still pretty. I did a little bit of the sign on the side when I didn't have any more, frosting there. So the frosting is very minimal here, but the clouds are looking good. I think it's looking good. Alright, so I see you guys in about 24 hours to cut this baby. I'll see what looks inside. Okay guys, it has been about 48 hours and I'm ready to slice this beautiful soap here. And we're gonna call it Winter Snowflake. The Winter Snowflake soap here. And it came out pretty good. This is what it looks like. I just took it out of the mold and then we're gonna slice it. So let's go and do that. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna slice this beautiful soap here, and it's this one is scented with eucalyptus and peppermint essential oils. It smells so good. So let me tighten up this. Let's make sure that this is tightened up. Yep. All right. Make sure here. All right. Let's see what the first slice looks like. Ooh, that looks cool. What do you guys think? That looks really nice, I think. That looks pretty cool. Let me have a little bit of a close up there. There we go. And I'm by myself here. Kelsey's at the shop. We need to be at the shop now because, the holidays are coming. And we're just trying to make extra money, because then after in January and stuff, the new year, people don't spend that much money. So we're gonna try to make some money now. Alright, and I don't know if you guys know, but you can actually buy our soaps online, and we don't have the website ready yet, but we're working on it. I know it's taking forever. It's just like, relying on somebody else to do it for you sometimes takes a lot of time. And so we're working on that, but you can buy any of these soaps, and I'm working on putting everything on my Facebook page. So if you go to Frankly Natural Beauty on Facebook, you can click on shop and you'll see the soaps that we have listed, and we'll ship it to you. We'll love to ship it to you. Usually these over here, our seasonal one, they're really big bars. I have small hands, but they're pretty big bars, and they usually are around 7 ounces, sometimes a little more. We sell them for $8 or $9. It depends on the design and how much they weigh. Like this one, I think is probably gonna be $8. But if you want to know for sure, you can go online there and on the Facebook page and check it out. We have more stuff there. So if you click on shop, like I said before, that's where you're gonna find it. There we go. There we go. And yeah, it's been kind of slow at the shop for this month. I don't know why. September was kind of bad for us. It wasn't very profitable. because I think people going back to school and all that, so I hope it picks up, so that would be very nice. Because, you know, people are going to be getting ready for Christmas. And the next soap I'm going to make is going to be a little bit different than this one. I'm planning one with the Washington State Mountain, Mount Rainier, and one with Sasquatch. So we'll see how it goes. If it sells well, then we're going to have it all year round. But I'm planning more soaps coming in. I think the next one we're going to have is going to be a lingoberry one. The lingoberry fragrance oil from Brambleberry is fantastic. We used it last year and we sold out of that scent. Of that soap, I mean. Not scent, but you know, the soap. It was very, very nice. There we go. So just remember, if you like watching our channel, please, you know, subscribe. It helps our little channel, and also like the video. And we do giveaways once in a while. In fact, we're gonna do one pretty soon when we get, if we get what? Oops, this one was really close. So this is a smaller bar. We'll put it aside for a simple bar maybe. But like I said, you know, if you guys subscribe and we get 500 subscribers, we're going to do another giveaway. So don't forget to subscribe and to be visible. Because when we did the last one, a lot of you guys were not visible. So I could not put you in the drawing. Especially a lot of local people were not doing that. Okay, so let me finish doing this and I'll show you the bars at the end. Okay guys, there you go. I finished slicing the whole loaf there, and this is what they look like. They're very cute. The top actually turned out very, very nice. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And like I said before, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It helps my channel, and we'll make more beautiful videos. And you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.